Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Before I get into this trading idea, I want to talk about our Fast Track program. Tomorrow night, myself and Dan Fitzpatrick are going to be doing a live Fast Track training webinar for people who have taken advantage of our 30-day free trial and taken the Fast Track series. So the Fast Track series is 30 different trading tutorials, including 20 brand new training videos that will help you build a solid foundation as a consistently profitable trader. Now you can take the Fast Track series and go through all 30 of these tutorials, and all you have to do is take a free trial at StockMarketMentor.com. Totally risk-free. And if you don't find any value in Stock Market Mentor, you can cancel your membership. You won't be charged a thing. Now, we hope by you taking the trial, you'll see the value in Stock Market Mentor and what we offer as a service, because we're much different than other services. You know, a lot of other services, you're just following one person and you're just following their trades and you're not really building a trading process for yourself. And that's what we're all about here at Stock Market Mentor. We want you to become a consistently profitable trader by building your own trading process and having your own edge. And if that's something that interests you, definitely consider taking a free trial, StockMarketMentor.com. But hurry, because this offer is running out soon. Now, if you're looking for a low-drama COVID stock, I would definitely consider looking at Johnson & Johnson. This is ticker JNJ. Look how nice and orderly JNJ trades. You can see recently how we're holding up just above the 50-day moving average. Now, that's a line that major institutions look at for buying support. And you can see how it's acted as support recently, and you can assume if price comes down here, that ideally buyers will step in and support it again. If it doesn't, then, it's doing something different. But this, technically is kind of a COVID trade, and it's much more orderly than the other COVID stocks. Let's take a look at Codex. Drama. In the last couple of days, we're down almost 40%. APT, what do we got here? Last couple of days, we're down 36%. Lake, how are you doing? Last couple of days, we're down here again 30%. Even take a look at Moderna. Yikes. They get a boatload of money coming towards them and, the stock sells off. AZN, okay, a little better. But again, I like JNJ. And the reason I like JNJ is because it's trading orderly. We have a clearly defined level of resistance at this downward sloping trend line. You can see how it's acted as resistance here, acted as resistance here. And today we just kind of tag that line. So this is giving me a clearly defined level to watch for a breakout on JNJ. So I think you want to have an alert on this stock at around 150.50 and then take a look at it. You want to see the stock break above this level and do it on higher than average volume, because that could show that the stock is actually going to break out. Now, of course, this is a large cap stock and it doesn't trade a lot. But again, if you're looking for a chance to get exposure to a stock or a company that's, doing something with COVID, but also have a little bit of a buffer because they have another business that's working out pretty good, I think J&J could work for a good trade. So I hope that video is helpful. Be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. And again, seriously consider taking a free trial of Stock Market Mentor and getting in on our Fast Track series. Hope to see you in the live webinar tomorrow.